everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen gold now in this particular range, so you have to understand that if the range breakout happens, okay, the range now at a level of 3372 and a low of around, you can say 3301. Okay, you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, a level of around 3264 is already weak, so chances are high that it can move further down if the price started going below a level of $32.98. Okay, so you have to understand this is the level, because if it started falling below this level, chances will be high that it will cross a level of 32 after crossing a level of 32.98. chances are very high it will cross further down towards 32.87, and from there it will cross a level of 32.64, because 32.64 is already weak, so chances of going further low will be there looking at this particular chart. Okay, but if the price keep moving above level of 33.49, we can see there will be a further upside, so we can see there will be a rise if the price keep moving above this level. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at the dollar index, but before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join. See, if you look at the dollar index, what we have seen, dollar index now trading at a level of $99.074. A swing has formed, so if the price can move over a level of 99.3 and once started going above this level, probability of going towards 99.9 will be there, because that level is already being tested. So we can see it will go further upside toward 100.2, and from there a level of 100.8. Once the price move over this level, probability of going, and from there a bounce back can come, but if that didn't come, we can see it will go further upside towards 102.2 to a level of 103. Okay, and then a further upside, but if the price didn't sustain, it can fall below a level of 98.9, and from there a further fall we can see towards $97.9, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we will see a further downfall, so chances will be high we can see it will fall further low, because this level we have seen in 2022, so chances of going towards 97.4 we can see then to a level of 97, and then a further down. Now looking at this particular chart of you that if the dollar index started going upside, we see the gold price comes down. Okay, if the dollar index started going down, we see the gold price goes up. Looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, full day it is forming a red candle. Chances are high, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of around $33.08. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chances of going towards 3300 will be there. This 3300 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall towards a level of around $32.85, and once the price falling below that particular level, chances will be very high that it can cross a level of 32.66, because that is already being weak. So after 32.85 we can see a level of 32.66, which can cross this particular level, because that is already weak, and then it will touch a level of 32.57, and once the price moving below this level, then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see. There is a clear narrow pattern is started forming this particular or swing. We can see it can touch a level of $33.44, and once started going above this level, probability of going towards 33.46 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 33.52, and from there a further high we can see towards 33.69. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, chance of touching 33.73 will be there. Okay, and then a probability of going towards 33.88. Okay, because see, there's a pattern, if it patterns break upside, a further upside we can see towards 33.88, and from there it can move towards 34.28, and then a further upside we can see. You can trail your SL by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside if the price started going higher. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.